Okay, this is a video about how to create a pivot table. First, in your Excel, look for the function insert. Go to pivot table here. Double click on that. So this box will appear and will ask you to select a range or a table. So we are about to select everything here, but you can put your cursor anywhere here, anywhere here, or anywhere. So I'm having my cursor here. My table should be here, the whole thing. It will select the whole thing here. And then choose where to place the pivot table. So we want to have our table in the same worksheet, somewhere here or here or here. Let's say I want to have it at this cell. So just press OK. And you'll get this appear in your screen. Pivot table fields and the pivot table. If you notice in the field name here, it has everything in the column: customer ID, date, region, payment, transaction code, source, amount, product. Okay, so it has filters, columns, values, and rows. Okay, now refer to page 14. It asks us to drag region, data, and drop into row labels. Region into labels. And drag product data and drop into the column label. Product go to columns. Okay. Product, just drag it, put inside columns. And region here and put under rows. So if you notice here, the column here is all about the products, and the rows here is all about region. Okay, next, page 15. Drag customer ID data and drop into the values area. So customer ID, you want to have this in the values. You notice that this is the ID for the customer. But we don't want this value. We want the sum of a particular value to be calculated by default. In order to get the number of transactions for each type of product, change the value by selecting value field settings. Okay, we want to change this value. We don't want this. In order to change that, field settings, and we want count of customer ID. Press OK, and the counts will appear instead of the total value. Okay, page 17. We can break down the number of orders placed by customer through online shop or social media by order source. Okay, drag source data and drop into the row labels. Source here. Okay, what happened? So now we have, instead of the region, central, east, north, south, and west, we are also having the source, whether they order it through online shop or they order it through social media. So you can cross-tab here. Meaning that for Bawang, there are 36 transactions through online shop. For Bawang, how many transactions are conducted for social media? There are 30, for example. Okay. Okay, filter function in pivot table. We can show an additional dimension, the type of payment made by the customer in the pivot table by dragging a field into the report filter area. So now drag payment data and drop into the filters. So you can now display the number of types of payment made by customer using this function. So payment, look for payment here, drop into this filter. Look, here you can choose whether you want to have a credit card or you want to choose online banking. Let's say I want to choose credit card. So this is just for online banking. Let's say I want to see credit card, not online banking. So now the transaction is showing how many people are paying by using credit card. So this is by having filter, the functions of filter.